His marvelous light, the full and final display of your glory, grace, and love, the transforming power of love in the final atonement, the last sacrifice for sin. As Earth's probation closes and judgment ends, and your cry is finished, it is done, and your glory is seen, as the whole earth is filled with the miracle God, and wars that cover the earth, and you come to take us home, a chosen generation, a holy nation, yours, peculiar people, called destined to show your praises, as you call us out of darkness into your marvelous light, to your marvelous light. The final sacrifice for sin, as the atonement closes, as Earth's probation closes, as judgment ends, and you cry, it is finished, it is done, it is finished, it is done, it is finished, it is finished, it is finished, it is finished.